So my name is Erin Harner. I'm an integrated registered dietitian nutritionist, and I specialize in gut health and IBS.
Hello, my name is Lisa Gavin.
Hello, my name is Tim Wright.
And I attended the YouTube traffic machine workshop today with Jordan and Paul. And I don't normally leave reviews, so this is a little bit new to me, but it was awesome. And I'll tell you why.
I tend to get stuck when I go to post things on YouTube. And I'm like, what do I talk about? And what do I say? And how do I put it?
Jordan, the instructor, gave a lot of good information about how to make your YouTube channel a moneymaker, but not in the way that we typically think of YouTube channels being a moneymaker.
I'm so sick of being on the Instagram hamster wheel of posting reels and stories and not gaining much traction.
It pretty much blew my mind. I feel like my brain is on fire with all kinds of ideas, and something that felt really insurmountable before feels doable now.
And I just don't have a lot of time. I have a busy private practice. I have 3 kids. I have a lot going on. And I've spent way too many hours Googling and watching YouTube videos on how to gain leads from YouTube.
You can go down the rabbit hole of procrastination when you're trying to get everything and I definitely have been guilty about that. Getting just the right lighting, just the right setting, just the right audio. And then I end up not publishing any videos. I get paralyzed.
The real thing that this course provides is the confidence to move forward, to get into action, to get out of analysis, to get out of trying to figure out the best strategies.
One example is that the Twitter thumbnail idea with the text and the person's face, and you talked about it being timeless. And then you gave us the template for that. I feel like that's a double. It was probably the idea's worth at least $97, and then the template's worth $97. The frameworks for the scripts were really gold too.
The main thing that I think I got out of it is some good confirmation of things that I think I probably had learned by accident over the last 3 years.
I'd watched a lot of other YouTube type trainings before. The YouTube traffic machine, the thing that really impressed me was the simplicity of their approach. They really broke it down and created a framework for how to create content, give you a framework where you could create literally hundreds of videos from one idea. They moved from ideas to how to create titles and thumbnails, how to write a script, how to record and publish, and then finally how to funnel that into funnels and create leads.
Some of the things I really got out of it were how to look at your framework, how to organize your time and your content, and a couple of concrete ways to put it out there, to get your ideas done, to do an outline, to do the bullet points, and then how to put it out there, whether it's a Miro, whether it's a whiteboard, whether it's a screen share, or just a talking head video.
At first, I was very skeptical. How is this going to be relevant to me right now? I'm super busy. I just don't have time to put in at the moment. It's like a 3-hour-long workshop, and I hung in there to the bitter end because I didn't want to miss a single word. It was so useful, so valuable. I loved what I heard. And after the training, I was able to do the assignment, get it done, have ideas, and have a plan as to how exactly I'm going to build my YouTube videos to bring in leads month after month after month.
Jordan outlines exactly the reasons and the motivations why one should do a YouTube channel. He gets into exactly what that should look like. There are even some sample scripts that I've been using today that have made a huge impact on getting me moving forward and getting me productive.
Every video that you put up on your YouTube should be like a $50 value. People should say, would I spend $50 for this? Just keep giving people your knowledge, giving people your expertise, giving people your excitement. And the people who want to work with you will then go offline onto your paid ticket items.
I don't have to get on and do content every single day or multiple times a day on different social media platforms. Instead, I can create a very pointed video that answers problems and really solves needs within my community, can create a database, a library for my users so that they can go back, and something that I record now will still be useful 2 years from now, instead of it being lost within 24 hours on some of the other platforms available.
Overall, I thought it was great. Really well worth the price. I thought there were many takeaways, each worth $97 a piece.
I just want to say thank you to Jordan and Paul for this amazing training. And if you're considering doing it, I would highly recommend it. It is awesome and so worth it. It took a very complicated topic that felt overwhelming, and I didn't really know where to start and what equipment to use and all that stuff. And now I feel confident and ready to just get started tomorrow.
So if you're looking for a system to bring more leads to your business, YouTube is really very unique in the sense that you create the content and it stays there. It's not like a lot of social media where it turns over and it's gone.
But I like the fact that Jordan said, hey, this is to move you into action. No more videos and tutorials and people trying to sell you something. Get into action. So thank you, Jordan, for helping me understand that.
I think that's my honest review. And I'm going to go and do the work. Just get the shit done. Stop messing around. So thanks.